Hi, this is my car. It's pretty exciting. So, if I want to park in the garage, I just push a button, and my mirrors do that.
Oh, do it again. I didn't.
And if I souped it up and made it do it really fast, I could fly. And it has power sunroof.
And it will stop in different positions.
Yeah, so I can put it halfway. And oh, it has a CD changer in the trunk that I can use from here. So I push CD, I think. I've never actually used it. What? No CD. Apparently there's no CD in there. Anyway, it's there. Oh, it has... What?
Button warmers?
Oh yeah. It has 5-position seat warmers. And it has climate control. So if I want it to be like 73 degrees in here, I just put it to 73 degrees, and then the fan blows that temperature air out, so it eventually is 73 degrees. Actually, I think it might blow it colder or warmer depending upon where it is right now. And that's pretty much it.
Automatic.
Yep, it's automatic, which is lame. Oh, it has windshield wipers that sense the rain, which is pretty awesome.
Pop the hood. I see the engine.
You can't really see the engine.
Yep. Kind of a big plastic cover. It's a toy engine.
That's boring.
The trunk is pretty cool. Show them the trunk.
The trunk's big.
Get in the trunk. You and...
It fit 2 of me in here.
all the way back.
And it's leather inside, I don't know if you noticed that. So that feels pretty cool.
They have an awesome, why don't you get in this side, show them the car seat's pretty cool too. I don't know if whoever's watching this cares about car seats, but...
So our friends gave us this for free. It's like a $400 car seat. And it like swivels and locks. And then if you want to see the kid, you can turn it whichever way. And it comes off. Pretty exciting. Okay. That's pretty much it. Bye. So, I forgot this one feature. I forgot to roll up my window here. So, I just stick the key in, and it rolls up. And then, if I decided for I don't know what reason that I wanted them down, I can roll them all down. Come back up. So that's pretty cool. You can end the video now.